this Constitution, and this being our first article of the Constitution, the First Amendment, basically saying, not just basically, government, you can't do anything to abridge someone's free speech. We're trying to keep the government out of your life. We're trying to make sure the government doesn't do anything to you. It's the government telling itself, I can't do this. Think about that. That's our framers coming up with that idea. Hey, we're going to create a government that says we're going to restrain ourselves. And that is something that is unique in the world. As Lou said, governments say, well, we give you the rights and we'll take them and give them as we go. Here, no. It's an inalienable right given to us by our Creator, as stated in our founding documents. Now, insofar as the UK is concerned, and I'm very happy to be a visitor at some point in time, we see, whether it's the UK, we've seen things in Canada, we've seen things in France, we've seen things across Europe, and in other places too. There were some, every now and then you'll see a little snippet of some uprising in, whether it's Iran or in Syria, or some sect in Iraq or somewhere trying to rise up to free themselves of government oppression or whatever, be able to speak their mind, and they're summarily snuffed out, whether literally or figuratively. These are the things that I think most people in this country who are probably, and I know I'm painting with a broad brush, who are 30, 35 years and younger, we take for granted, which is why you see people on Instagram and on Snapchat and on TikTok doing the performative cry into the lens. I got fired for saying something bad. And, why are they doing this to me? Because it really wasn't bad. It's my right. It's my right. It's my right. Before you start saying, as soon as you start saying it's my right, to quote the movie, I do not think.
I do not think that word means what you think it means.
Exactly. Know your Constitution, know your foundation documents, and know that our founding fathers put into place something that was supposed to be permanent and meaningful, and not just something to give lip service to.